Hey everyone, in this video, I want to walk you through the overview of how to submit a project on SideProjectors. So obviously you must be logged in and click on Submit Project. And let's choose I like to sell my project. You can fetch information from your existing project homepage, which will pre-fill some of the information. You can also import your existing project from your Product Hunt account if you have one. But in this case, let's start from scratch. First, select what type of project yours is. If it's a SaaS, or it's a commerce, or blog, etc. Give it a name. Make sure it's short and clear. Pitch is your one-sentence elevator pitch of what your project is about. If you have a homepage, and many do, please put your project homepage. Many users on SideProjectors visit homepage to check your project out, and provide as much description as possible. Keep it detailed. What does your project do? What type of problem does it solve? What is the current state of your project? Try to keep as much information here and think about from the buyer's perspective. What type of information will be interesting for the buyers? Select up to 5 markets that are applicable and for your project. And down here, you can add all your project's social media accounts. In the media page, it's where you put images and videos of your project. This is important because people want to see what your project looks like. So please take screenshots, or if you have any videos, please post them here. You can also add what type of tools and technologies that you use to build your project. People want to know if you are using any third-party tools or what kind of programming languages that you've used to build your project. Many users on SideProjectors are developers and technical people. And if you, down in the text field, you can explain how the project is built and any other information about the tools that your project uses. In the revenue section, if your project is earning revenue, please indicate roughly how much it is on a monthly basis. And you can also add images of Stripe or Shopify dashboard so that people know that the revenue is genuine. And down in this text field, you can explain what your revenue state is. Your project may have multiple revenue sources like SaaS subscriptions, affiliate, or advertising. So you can state those here. In the other metrics, you can provide information like your traffic, if it's website, average number of downloads, if your project is mobile app, and you can also add images as proof. And you can explain these metrics down in the text field. In the sale information, you want to include what are the items that will be sold as part of the project. Is it a domain name, design, data, etc.? And you can explain some of the things that are being sold in this text field. Please indicate what your selling price is. You can say that it is either minimum or negotiable, or if you don't want to say it, you can choose this option to say, I prefer not to disclose the price. Please indicate why you're selling this project, provide any other reasons, and think about how the buyer can take your project further. What are some of your future roadmap items or other extensions or the features that you can think of? Finally, on this page, we alert any warnings or any errors. Errors are about missing required fields, and also warnings are about any fields that are not mandatory but helpful if you do fill them. Number one tip when submitting a project is pretty simple. Add as much information as you can. I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time.